Are you surprised? Are you confused? I hope both of those things happen because this whole thing. And I am doing a beater box today when I said I wouldn't be doing one, but the only reason I'm here is basically because I didn't get my surgery done yet because the American healthcare system. But that's a different video and a different channel that I don't want to get into. Welcome to the channel, I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media stuff here. I only really use Twitter, but the other ones are still there because I'm too lazy to edit them out because I just copy and paste everything basically. And then you can subscribe to the channel for the infrequent video that makes very little sense. Hello, pals. I got bored last Sunday and decided to order a beater box from Sole Supremacy, and it came, so we're gonna be opening it here on YouTube via video? Oh, whatever that means. This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com. It's a members only thing, so you cannot buy these boxes, and that's pretty much the end of the story. This box cost $1,100 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,150. Here comes the counter. His name is Clarence because I name things due to boredom and loneliness. Crippling loneliness. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. If you guys want to watch the last video, it was a live video. Here is a recap live video type thing. The box itself was okay. It ain't moving very fast, I'll tell you that, but we'll see how this box is. This box could be good, could be bad. Boxes from Sole Supremacy have been really hit or miss lately, so I'm a little bit nervous. Oh good, there's a lot of Adidas in here already. Wow, the first three on top are Adidas's. And none of them are Yeezys, at least from what I can tell. Okay, don't let me touch my face or my hair anymore. First shoe up. Size 12, Ultra Boost! That's what it says, Ultra Boost! We have I think these are worn, but I'm not 100% sure. That's actually a good sign because if you can't tell if they're worn, that means they're very lightly worn, which is almost as good as new. What does that even mean? This is an Ultra Boost 0.0. In some kind of green olive colorway. I know nothing about this shoe. I really don't know much about the brand, and I don't really know if this is worth much of anything, so my guess, probably not, but it's a size 12, which is a good size in Ultra Boosts. I don't know what version this is because, again, I don't know much about Adidas, so there you go. There's your first shoe out, a size 12, very lightly pre-owned Ultra Boost, some kind of cargo green colorway. Hey, if you're interested in buying those, go ahead and finish buying a camouflage hoodie from Cabela's. And then go to my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Those and all the other pairs in this box will be available for sale unless they sell elsewhere, which is possible. Next up, NMD R1 Prime Knit in a 9.5. Wow, that's a little surprising. So this is a dead stock pair. This is the tricolor Adidas NMD R1 Prime Knit. This is actually a pretty kind of hot colorway back when NMDs were pretty sought after. For people that loved this era and like these kind of shoes, right now is a great time to get these kind of shoes because they're gonna be super cheap. So I don't know what the value is on these things. It is a dead stock pair. There's absolutely no wear on the bottom. And these aren't discolored at all, it looks like. So probably a pretty decent pair. There's probably at least $150 of value in here. Size 9.5, NMD R1 Prime Knit Tricolor. Another Adidas. What is this? An Iniki Runner SE. Well, these are dead stock too. Whatever these are, I have no idea what these are. It's like a navy blue, dark blue, almost like sashiko looking type pattern on the upper a little bit. Gum outsole, obviously no wear. What size did I say? As I say, this is a 9.5 as well. Oh, it's a Bodega collaboration. It says Bodega on the insole, so that's interesting. Usually Bodega colorways are really, really vibrant and kind of heavily 1980s inspired. These are definitely not 1980s inspired. There you go, size 9.5. Some kind of Bodega Iniki Runner. Huh, let's hope there's no more of that kind of stuff. Kyrie Irving, that's interesting. Get on my way here. We have a Kyrie 1 in a size US men's 13. Worn pair, Kyrie 1. I think this is just like the regular, like maybe cool gray. It's like a cool gray infrared kind of type colorway. This was I think one of the very first Kyrie colorways to come out back when he was drafted in Cleveland so many years ago. It's definitely a shoe that was used for basketball, so there's very little wear on the outsoles. There's no drag or anything like that. These actually looked like they were worn very lightly. There's nothing crazy going on. There's just insole wear, and they don't smell or anything weird, so that's cool. I don't know if 13 is a good size for this kind of stuff because I'm inactive and I don't know. Might be a good shoe. It's probably a really good performance basketball shoe from what I understand, but there you go, size 13, Kyrie 1. Huh, cool. This is a classic era, look at that, twinsies. Size 10.5, Air Force 1 mid. That is definitely not what this is at all, not even close. So we have a size US men's 11.5. This is just like the black and white Kamikaze 2 Reeboks. I think these retroed pretty recently too. I think these retroed like 2019, 2020 maybe. I mean, it's a cool design. It's definitely got some nostalgia to it. It's a good size for something like this. I don't know, probably not much value, but there you go. Pretty cool. Kamikaze 2. If you're into that kind of stuff, that's a pretty cool shoe. Let's grab this. Air Jordan 5 Retro Michigan 2019 size 13. So this is a replacement box on exactly what it says on that sticker. Yep, worn pair, size 13, Michigan style colorway. They did an Oregon one that was kind of like this. These are actually in really great shape. It's a size 13 too, so that's a really great size for Jordan 5. This is a cool colorway. I don't mind this at all. I mean, it's obviously takes hints of a player edition Michigan Jordan 5. It's probably pretty decent value in this too, so there you go, size 13, lightly worn, a little bit of outsole wear. Actually, no outsole wear. Someone cleaned these and they look really, really good, so cannot complain. Jordan 5, Michigan, okay. Oh, there's why the box is expensive. We'll do that one last. But before that, guess what? I saved a Yeezy for second to last. Mainly because it's a big box. This is a size 13 Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Colorway says Cinder, and that is exactly what they are. It's the Cinder colorway. These are super lightly worn. You can see the outsoles are in really, really great shape. Barely any discoloration on the Boost here. The smallest amount of heel drag right there, which is a problem area for most 350s. Insole wear. I mean, the insole wear is, there's none. It's a perfect insole. I don't know if this person took the insoles out when they were wearing them or something like that, but these are in really, really clean shape. So these are as close to dead stock as you can say without lying about it. So that will affect the value a little bit, but it won't be, it will be probably close to within like 20% of the dead stock price of a size 13 pair of Cinders. So there you go. Just like I said, size 13 Cinder 350 V2. Can never go wrong with a monochromatic dark Yeezy. And this is the last pair. This is a good one. I can tell by the box already. It's an off-white collaboration. These did spike up with the passing of Virgil Abloh, unfortunately, because there is very little integrity in the sneaker market. This is a size 9 Air Max 97 OG the 10. Whoa! Wow, okay, cool. So these are worn. Tread's really good though. Holy cow, these were really lightly worn. This is one of the original 10s. This is the Air Max 97 from the original release of the 10. We have zip tie. We have secondary laces. So this is a good get. I know dead stock pairs of these are going for well over the price of this box. And with the condition on these, like, look, wow. Like, look, the insole, perfect. Absolutely perfect. So these are super lightly worn. They just need a cleanup. And there's obviously discoloration because that was the intent of these releases, was to kind of yellow and look different over time. The biggest thing is the outsole. There is not a lot of tread missing on the forefoot here. So these will clean up and they'll clean up really nice. So this I cannot complain about. So this is your last pair out. This is a size 9 off-white Air Max 97, one of the original 10 releases. And that concludes this $1,100 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think we got a good one, folks. Let's take a look at the numbers and see what they say right now. probably one of the better Sole Supremacy beater boxes I've seen in a couple weeks, honestly. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this box because I haven't gotten a good box in such a long time. Hey, if you want to buy any of these pairs, they'll be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Keep in mind too that all the worn pairs will be cleaned and disinfected before posting, so you can rest assured that your shoes aren't going to be gross. Aside from that, that's all I got for you. Thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!